Hey English learners! Welcome back to Easy English Conversation. I am Emma, and today we have a big problem to solve. Picture this. Your coworker asks, "How was your vacation?" You know what you want to say, but only these words come out. Good, nice, fun. They smile politely and walk away. You feel frustrated because you had amazing experiences, but you sound boring. This happens because nobody taught you the real phrases Americans use every single day. What if I told you there are only 48 phrases that native speakers actually use to talk about vacations? Not complicated grammar, not difficult words. Just 48 simple phrases that Americans say automatically. My friend Jessica learned these phrases. Now when she talks about her weekend trip to the beach, people say, "Wow, that sounds amazing. Tell me more." Same vacation, different phrases. That is the secret. This is day 6 of our 30-day challenge to speak English fluently. Today's topic: talking about vacation. In just 12 minutes, you will memorize all 48 phrases. You will practice them in a real conversation. And tomorrow, when someone asks about your vacation, you will sound natural and interesting. These are not textbook phrases. These are the exact words your American friends use. Ready to speak like them? Let's start practicing. I am going on vacation next week. I am going on vacation next week. I am going on vacation next week. I am planning a trip to Thailand. I am planning a trip to Thailand. I am planning a trip to Thailand. We are visiting my family in Canada. We are visiting my family in Canada. We are visiting my family in Canada. I booked a hotel in Bali. I booked a hotel in Bali. I booked a hotel in Bali. We are staying for 10 days. We are staying for 10 days. We are staying for 10 days. I am going with my girlfriend. I am going with my girlfriend. I am going with my girlfriend. It is going to be awesome. It is going to be awesome. It is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to relax. I cannot wait to relax. I cannot wait to relax. We are leaving Friday morning. We are leaving Friday morning. We are leaving Friday morning. This is my first time there. This is my first time there. This is my first time there. I have always wanted to go there. I have always wanted to go there. I have always wanted to go there. We got a great deal online. We got a great deal online. We got a great deal online. I already packed my suitcase. I already packed my suitcase. I already packed my suitcase. I found some great restaurants to try. I found some great restaurants to try. I found some great restaurants to try. We are going to rent a scooter. We are going to rent a scooter. We are going to rent a scooter. Perfect. You just learned how Americans talk about vacation plans. Notice how natural and simple these phrases are. That is exactly how your American friends speak. Now let's learn how to describe your experiences. Ready for the next 21 phrases? We had such a great time. We had such a great time. We had such a great time. The weather was perfect. The weather was perfect. The weather was perfect. The hotel was really nice. The hotel was really nice. The hotel was really nice. We did touristy stuff every day. We did touristy stuff every day. We did touristy stuff every day. I tried so much good food. I tried so much good food. I tried so much good food. We saw some cool temples. We saw some cool temples. We saw some cool temples. The beaches were gorgeous. The beaches were gorgeous. The beaches were gorgeous. I took like a million photos. I took like a million photos. I took like a million photos. We met some really nice people. We met some really nice people. We met some really nice people. The bars were fun. The bars were fun. The bars were fun. I learned to surf. I learned to surf. I learned to surf. We went on a boat ride. We went on a boat ride. We went on a boat ride. The sunset was incredible. The sunset was incredible. The sunset was incredible. We walked around the old part of town. We walked around the old part of town. We walked around the old part of town. I bought some cool stuff. I bought some cool stuff. I bought some cool stuff. The food was so good. The food was so good. The food was so good. We tried street food everywhere. We tried street food everywhere. We tried street food everywhere. The culture was really interesting. The culture was really interesting. The culture was really interesting. Everything was so affordable. Everything was so affordable. Everything was so affordable. The locals were super friendly. The locals were super friendly. The locals were super friendly. We had the most amazing adventures. We had the most amazing adventures. We had the most amazing adventures. Excellent. You are now describing vacations exactly like Americans do. Did you hear how casual and enthusiastic these phrases sound? That is the secret. Americans use simple words, but with lots of energy. Final 12 phrases coming up. I had the best time ever. I had the best time ever. I had the best time ever. It was super relaxing. It was super relaxing. It was super relaxing. I feel so much better now. I feel so much better now. I feel so much better now. I did not want to come home. I did not want to come home. I did not want to come home. You should totally go there. You should totally go there. You should totally go there. I definitely recommend it. I definitely recommend it. I definitely recommend it. It was way better than I thought. It was way better than I thought. It was way better than I thought. I am already planning my next trip. I am already planning my next trip. I am already planning my next trip. I wish I could have stayed longer. I wish I could have stayed longer. I wish I could have stayed longer. It was totally worth it. It was totally worth it. It was totally worth it. I would go back for sure. I would go back for sure. I would go back for sure. Best vacation ever. Best vacation ever. Best vacation ever. Perfect. Now let's practice with a real conversation. Mark will join us. You repeat both lines, just like acting in a real scene.
Hey Emma, how was your vacation?
We had such a great time.
Where did you go?
We went to Thailand.
How long were you there?
We stayed for 10 days.
Who did you go with?
I went with my friend.
Tell me about it.
The weather was perfect. The hotel was really nice. We did touristy stuff every day.
What about the food?
I tried so much good food. The food was so good. We tried street food everywhere.
Any highlights?
We saw some cool temples. The beaches were gorgeous. The sunset was incredible. I took like a million photos. The locals were super friendly.
How do you feel now?
I had the best time ever. I feel so much better now. I did not want to come home.
Would you recommend it?
I definitely recommend it. I definitely recommend it. It was way better than I thought. Best vacation ever. Now it is your turn. I will ask the questions, and you give the answers. Speak naturally and confidently. Ready? Let's begin. Hey, how was your vacation? Where did you go? How long were you there? Who did you go with? Tell me about it. What about the food? Any highlights from the trip? How do you feel now? Would you recommend it? Incredible. You just transformed from giving boring vacation answers to sharing exciting stories like Americans do. Those 48 phrases are your secret to sounding natural and interesting in any vacation conversation. Tomorrow is day 7 of our 30-day challenge. Another essential skill that will boost your confidence. Do not break the chain. Hit that like button if you feel more confident about vacation conversations. Subscribe for tomorrow's lesson, and comment with one phrase you will use to describe your next vacation. Keep practicing, and I will see you tomorrow.